Yo! So I picked up the Racketeer stud ball magnetic stud finder. Sometimes it's kind of a pain in the butt to find those metal studs. And this sucker is supposed to be really good and also compact. I'm going to throw it onto my keychain because it's nice to always have. Plus, it's nice and small. But detects metal through 1/2 inch or 5/8 drywall and ceramic tile and 3/4 inch plywood. So let's just check it out. Comes in a variety of colors, obviously. Yeah, so Racketeers, here we go. I got the blue one. And oh, found it. Yeah, it's got a good grip on it for sure. There you go. So Racketeers, it's a stud ball. Fine screws, nails, and wood studs, and then you got your metal studs. Good job, Racketeers! Whoop whoop! Definitely gonna throw that onto my keychain. Look how small that is. It's in the palm of my hand.